The Clarke CS10SBRK 10-ton body repair kit is the ideal kit for anyone involved in car body repair and restoration. It uses a double-acting, fast-action, powerful hydraulic pump, which connects to the supplied pipes and accessories with anti-drip couplers. This enables quick, easy and mess-free assembly. The CS10SBRK is supplied with 12 assorted accessories, including a hydraulic ram, spreader wedge, extension tubes and a selection of shaped heads and bases, all housed in a strong metal carry case. This kit enables bodywork structures to be returned to their original shape, making it perfect for use in the garage or workshop. The CS10SBRK is one from a range of body repair kits, all available from your local Clarke stockist. The Clarke CS10SBRK is safe and simple to operate and will help you to straighten and align bent chassis members, body panels and much more. It features a heavy-duty steel construction and a capacity of 10 tons.